When you Peter Obi meregi, or Peter Obi secret fair election, you can deliver 50,000 votes for Tinubu, man of 14 votes never again want it. So you wanna get man no more than family, Nande Nanimo Ferry, be had to
Peter Obi, great guy. They don't want to hear anybody that doesn't want to follow him. They go say bring him and kill. It's not politics.
Bring one and kill.
Anybody we no want do Peter Obi, they go say, hey, they go want drag him, they go use them, they do content.
Okay.
It doesn't, it's not, I'm not a weak man.
Have they attacked you before?
What kind of attack?
Like for road, may they cross and say, yeah, they won't finish you.
Shall I do it?
Now I thought say that they attack the person.
If Peter Obi is patient, when Tinubu finish it, if he come, if he look up, check what he has done. See, person will build this Lagos where they bless me. I go follow him.
Not true. Because for me, I see
person will build this Lagos. This Lagos is the best thing in this Africa.
not true, not true.
You know what's in the Lagos?
Not true, Lagos.
See my donuts now. 24 hours. I go strike again. Obama, the president of America. You know how many times where he lose election?
So you still do him again.
Donald Trump where they rule now, they come out them. He still come back.
So those
again.
people now, you know if you go collect your money back, say hey, on a 1 million, I give my 50 million.
No,
They don't go give you.
no receipt now.
So the money don't go.
Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. So, but
WOT law.
WOT law. Now, let me tell you, as I did now, Tinubu no really trust me. Tinubu no really trust me. Tinubu no really trust me. As Igbo man, where I be, they look me with one eye. Because he believes, say, this one where they work for people before.
Hey.
This one fee maybe.
Oh, you don't work for me, Peter Obi before?
Yes, now last election.
Why you leave him?
I check out my brother. See, I don't want to lose again. Because they say first food no be food, now second food be food.
Well, yeah, when you choose Peter Obi, you say you go lose. But now when we say you choose Tinubu, you can't still lose. So, what happened?
No be Tinubu lose now. I mean,
you lose.
Yes, now you don't mean anything.
Okay.
Peter Obi no lose.
If you choose
As he
Peter
lose that one, he kill himself. No be in the one run again. I think you no be in the strong.
you go win this one, Abi.
You know if he win.
How you know, chiefpriest?
You know if he win because he's not ready. The people who are more ready will win. I don't even.
Because for comment section,
I tell you, forget comment section. See, this is strategy. This is game plan. A president that has 30-something governors supporting him already. I don't even understand.
At the other side, they guess you.
So me, I don't calculate and check and I say, no fumble again, chief priest. Oh. As well as you make it just do it on, they go. As well as you not immortal. No be somebody where we feel say anybody feel push away. Now time. If we just
time
do
until
in
you
time,
talk say, yeah, I want to
True, true. O nwere ife nnukwu mmanya na-atụrụ anyị n'elu before nwụọ. O kwuru sị na ọ bụghị ogologo bụ na nwa m eme na gịnị na nwa m ebuchana. And ejiro m agbaka m dị mkpa anyị ikpo nsị. Ịghọtara? Ndị mmadụ onwe ekwuru gosi na enwere dị mkpa nwee dị mkpa bini. Chiefpriest negodi all the respect niile ị nwere. Ijegoro no a na-ekwu na ịwụrụ onwe gị n'ala. Wuo onwe gị n'ala, wụgo onwe gị n'ala, webezie kịta wee wuo onwe gị para nere mkpemkpe nwa tọtọrọ gị dobe n'ihu moto ntu a n'afọ gị ka onugbu. Look at how Pella se tọtọrọ gị tinye n'ihu moto. What are you explaining to Pella? When ihe Peter Obi mere gị, or Peter Obi secret fair election, you can deliver 50,000 votes for Tinubu, man of 14 votes na-ekwe gị enweta. So you wanna get man na ụmụ gị na family gị na ndị na n'ime ofe gị bụ ihe tọrọ gị akwụkwọ. Common 1,000 votes you want to run. Gịnị ka Tinubu, gịnị ka Peter Obi mere gị? Ị na-defend the property in Lagos. Chefukwa na even if Tinubu win ota, it's 4 years. Bịa ọga file gị ka dị. Ọ ka dị na Lagos. Onye ọzọ ga-abatakwa ya ebịa bugakwa file gị. And onye a nwere ike bụrụ onye ya na ndị ofe mmanụ na-adịrọ na mma. Ma ọ bụrụ onye gị na-adịrọ na mma. Ọ pụta ọfọ gị ka onugbu na ihe obere nwa dobere n'ihu moto nnọọ na-ewo gị okwu kai fear asem fear just because of you are eager to to be in power. Ị chọrọ inweta power by all means na obere nwa dobere n'ihu moto n'afọ gị ka orugbu na live stream ị na-akọ Peter Obi ji sị Peter Obi ji na-asịrọ mere onwe gị ebere nwa bisa mere onwe gị ebere mere onwe gị ebere ejiro m ebuka ibu anyị ikpo nsị na nwa m ebuka bụrụ na nwa m ebuka ejiro na nwa m ebuka anyị ikpo nsị ogologo abụrụ na nwa m etogo ibupụtara onwe gị n'ụwa ka agwa gị okwu anyị ga-agwa gị okwu ya wee gị iwe